Thomas, you can go swimming? Thomas.
Can I put these on? These are too big for you.
Swimming?
Come on, let's just go swimming.
My little mermaid. Yeah, you know I'm talking about you. My mermaid. She's acting like a mermaid. Are you acting like a mermaid?
What?
Are you acting like a mermaid? You look like one in the water. Mermaid.
Kick, kick, kick. Kick, kick, kick. Kick his leg. That's how you swim. Kick his legs.
Thomas, say hi.
Go there. To the shore. Kick, kick, kick. Kick those legs.
Go, Harley!
Aww.
Kick, kick.
Good job, Thomas.
Harley!
Thomas, what's he
Good
doing?
boy.
What's he doing? It's like going under it. Summertime. Man, it feels like July. And it's gonna be October.
Well, July here is.
Look, this is what I talked about before you
That's
tried
true.
to pick it up from under me.
Cause Steven coming out to go swimming. Mom, sleeping.
Forever.
You're never gonna win against the. All right, I want to see a.
Swan dive?
Yes.
Come on, Thomas. Go swim.
I'm glad I got that on camera.
You missed the Olympic cutoff.
I know.
Stop saying Steven. You said Steven.
I know. I heard him this morning. Go, Steven.
Yeah.
Carly.
Right, swim back to Daddy?
Dina, this looks like fall here. Look at the leaves. Drop off.
You have tadpoles over there.
Yes, I noticed in
They're getting big.
my rain barrel.